If your furnace is not producing heat, it may be due to a dirty or failing flame sensor. This safety device monitors the flame in your furnace and shuts it down if it detects any issues. To troubleshoot, first ensure proper ventilation and inspect for blockages in the vents or ducts. However, some checks and repairs should only be performed by a qualified HVAC technician. A technician will inspect the furnace and vents, check the flame sensor for dirt or corrosion, and use specialized tools to test the furnace. The repair process typically involves cleaning or replacing the flame sensor, inspecting and cleaning the furnace and vents, and testing the furnace. To prevent future issues, regularly inspect and clean the furnace and vents, replace the furnace filter as needed, and have your furnace serviced annually. If you notice any urgent or emergency warning signs, such as a gas smell or carbon monoxide alarm, contact a qualified technician immediately. Visit our full guide for more information and safety tips, and call 555-555-5555 for assistance.